Guys, welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
Where's Michael?
Hey, everybody.
And the dogs, of course, they're running around my vacuum cleaner, trying to suck up whatever they can. It's a little bit of Coca-Cola, just for
Ooh, delicious.
It's nothing better than a nice glass of cocoa. And I haven't had Coca-Cola. You can ask Michael right there, right, Michael?
It's actually been like 6, 7, 8 months.
More than that, I actually don't drink Coca-Cola. I got that last time at the supermarket.
Oh, it's been a long time.
Nauseous sometimes, you know. And the Coca-Cola makes me burp, so it's a good thing.
So what's going on here?
As Michael is picturing, this is my big, large caldero. I'm gonna make some chicken fried rice, and those little. Come on, I want you to show people.
Oh, okay, let me zoom in there.
Those little things that you see in the caldero, that's from the chicken that I already fried. So you can see it over there on your left-hand side, and it's already chopped. And right next to it is my wood board, and on my wood board you see red onions and green peppers chopped up and carrots.
All right.
So that I'm going to introduce it into my rice.
Introduce.
We're also gonna need 2 eggs, and like I said, those little things, little pieces that you see there, that was from the oil from the chicken that I fried, which is in this caldero. So I'm using the same oil to make my chicken fried rice.
That's right.
So the first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna throw these veggies in. I'm gonna leave that on high, just like it is. Okay, I'm gonna put that in there.
All right.
And then,
I can already smell it.
smell that, Michael? Michael's like, yeah, Mama.
Oh, yeah.
Smell that, Mama. And then what else are we gonna do? A little bit more oil.
That's right.
I'm gonna get a couple of eggs. You know we're gonna need to make fried rice. You want 1 egg or 2, guys?
2.
2 eggs.
2 brown eggs. And what is this on?
This is an high.
On a conventional stovetop?
Yeah, conventional stovetop.
That would be 8 guys.
And as you guys can see, this is my rice. Move, Michael. I already cooked the rice.
White rice.
I got my white rice there.
A staple food in every country.
High going. So what we're gonna do right now is
What are we doing?
we're gonna put
What we do.
sesame oil, but not at the moment. Right now, what I'm gonna do is throw
All
a
right.
couple of eggs in there.
Crack 1.
That's right.
Crack
2
2.
eggs in there.
2 cracks,
The
guys.
carrots, the red onions, and the green pepper. See?
Mix it up,
As you can see, the egg takes a lot of the oil itself. As you
It
can
absorbs
see,
it.
Exactly, absorbs it real fast.
It morphs into
Because
something
it
brand
needs
new.
it. Exactly, it needs it to cook. But we're gonna keep on turning this, right?
Oh yeah. Turn it up, turn it up.
Okay. See how it is?
Oh yeah. That looks good.
Of course it looks good. And then we're gonna take, guys, a little bit of rice vinegar.
Rice vinegar. Check.
Like that, we're gonna put it right in the eggs.
That's a little
and
sprinkle.
The carrots, exactly. This is how we want it to take. And then as I is doing that,
And where is that rice going?
we're gonna take this rice that is next to us.
Here we go.
And we're gonna
Here we
throw
go.
it in there, guys. Look at that.
Woo.
Look at all that white rice, delicious white rice.
That's
going in
right.
that
We don't
hot
waste in this house.
pan. And then you're gonna turn. And you're gonna turn. I'm gonna have to take a shower after this one. See all that smoke coming out?
Oh yeah. Let me zoom out so everyone can see.
See?
Look at that, everybody.
Turn.
See it?
And then I'm gonna put a little bit. I'm gonna lower it real quick.
All right.
So I'm just gonna put a little bit of
Sesame
sesame
oil.
oil.
Yeah.
Because so it can give her that China
A little
and
sesame.
Orient. Smell that.
There we smell. Hold on.
And then,
Smells good.
we're also gonna put
What are we putting?
a little bit of soy sauce.
All right.
I'm just gonna splash it.
Splash it up, splash
I'm
it
not
up.
So I'm
Splash it
gonna
like a water
eyeball-
park,
I'm gonna
everybody.
eyeball it. There you go. I'm eyeballing.
That's right, we eyeball.
We're gonna put that back on high.
No measuring spoons.
And that's on high, right?
You know what I realized, Mom? You eyeball a lot of stuff.
Yeah, well, because
Why is that?
Because when you know how to caulk, you don't have, and then we're gonna take a little bit of ginger powder. So I don't have any, and we're gonna sprinkle.
Sprinkle, sprinkle.
This is that good ginger powder that we bought, Michael, and I poured it.
Yes.
Pour it in there.
in the spices section of our local
Spice
supermarket.
rack. They have these fresh spices that you buy by the pound.
And herbs.
And the weight and our herbs and
Salt and all kinds of stuff.
put a little bit more ginger.
Ooh.
We don't want to put any more soy sauce. I don't like it tasty. But since I can't eat, you guys will.
Oh, I'm not gonna eat right now, but I am eating later, so please save me some. Everybody comment down below if you love this.
Excuse me, and then we're gonna put
Oh, I
the
forgot
chicken.
about the main ingredient.
And
Chicken
we're gonna-
up,
excuse me,
chicken
excuse me.
up.
You throw that chicken in there, and we're gonna sprinkle again 1 sprinkle of sesame oil.
Right.
Okay, and that's it, guys.
Give it a little mixer.
A little turn around.
Mix it up, mix it up.
How do you like that?
How do I like that? I don't like it.
What do you mean?
I love it.
Oh, you gotta taste it. And I know it's good. What it looks like, okay? And I just took it out of the, and it looks delicious, and I know it probably tastes delicious. I'll have Michael later on, and you know what, Michael, eat a little bit so you guys can see him eating it. I know it's delicious. I made it for the boys. And that's for today, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram and on Twitter, like us on Facebook and on Pinterest and on Google Plus. And if you go down below, you can click on the link for what, Michael?
For Patreon, for Tumblr.
Patreon,
You can check out our
Tumblr. And
Pinterest.
the Patreon page is for donations.
That's
You can
right.
donate, it's $1 or more.
Just $1.
And if you want, you can donate $1. If you can, you don't have to donate $1, but it will help for us for the channel, so we can come up with more recipes and keep on, you know, entertaining you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good night. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you all. Peace out.